Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is August 17, 2019. This is my third episode about C#, programming for desktop application using Windows Presentation Foundation. In our previous episode, episode 2, we created our first Windows Presentation Foundation application. If we are going to develop software applications using C#, we need to understand what is a partial class. Partial class is not supported in C++ standard language. So in this episode, I will explain how to use what is a partial class. Please understand that partial class plays very important role for C# programming. I will also talk about how to use StringBuilder class. In this episode, we will learn about C# partial class and StringBuilder class. Start Visual Studio 2019, View, Solution Explorer, click this button, go to File, New Project. Language, C#, Platform, Windows, Project Type, just select Console Application, then Console App .NET Framework. Click Next. Project name, Partial Class. Solution name, Partial Class Solution. You can select .NET Framework. For example, I will select 4.6. Click Next. In the Solution Explorer, right-click Partial Class Project, add New Item, select C# item, code file, change it to animal.cs. Click Add. You can drag like this. Now I will copy this part, paste it here, and I will create namespace partial class. So namespace is open like this, and here I create partial class animal. I defined a partial class animal, and I also copy this part and I will put it here. So the partial is important. When you create partial class, enclosing namespace should be identical. In both case, partial class and partial class namespace should be identical. Second, the class name also should be identical. In both case, you should use keyword partial like this. Now here, public int and age, and I define here public double m weight. So this animal class defined in animal.cs and this animal class defined in program.cs will be merged into a single class. In this file, I will create public. This is a constructor int age double weight, and n age, it should be m. M age, m weight. So this is constructor, and here public override string toString. Okay, we are overriding this class. We can delete this part. System text namespace defines a class called StringBuilder. var StringBuilder new StringBuilder. We create an instance of a StringBuilder. I will just make it shorter, SB. Then SB append. We can append the text here. Say age StringBuilder append mAge. Please note that this is member function and this mAge is defined in this file sv append weight sv append mWeight. So we built sv StringBuilder and we return sv toString. So we override this toString function. Every class in CSharp is inherited from system object class, and system object has a virtual member function called toString. So we overrided this toString function like this. Now in our program class static main void, we declare a variable animal, new animal. New animal has a constructor that is taking int age double weight. So age is 3 and weight is 65.4 kilograms. Then console right line animal. Now Control F5. So age is 3, weight is 65.4. So this string animal is displayed on the console like this. Please understand that this partial class is not supported in C++ standard, and it plays very important role in C# programming. I will upload complete source code to my website csharptalkplayfun.com. In this website, by clicking this link, you can download complete source code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.